StubHub services honest review watch before using. Most people think buying tickets online is straightforward, but you won't believe what happens next when fees and resale rules dramatically affect the final price. StubHub is an online ticket marketplace for concerts, sports, theater, and events worldwide. It connects buyers and sellers, offering a platform to purchase, sell, or transfer tickets securely. The surprising truth about StubHub is that it provides buyer protection, so if an event is cancelled or tickets are invalid, your purchase is safeguarded. This makes it more reliable than buying tickets directly from unknown sellers. Most people get this wrong. They focus only on the listed ticket price. Service fees, delivery charges, and taxes often add 20-30% to the total cost, which can surprise first-time buyers. StubHub is best for people seeking tickets to sold-out or high-demand events, where primary vendors are unavailable. The surprising truth is that planning ahead and checking total costs helps you get tickets safely without overpaying. Subscribe for more honest event platform reviews that help you enjoy live entertainment smarter.